You know, it doesn't look that bad on camera.
The danger goggles. Give me the danger goggles.
No, the amount of shit we have in this car. Oh. Good morning. We are in Arrow Town. It's so cute.
Look at you.
I wanted the rock candy. Now we're just back to our roots walking. Spent like 10 minutes in the town. Oh, oh shit. Oh.
Beautiful.
You're looking very hipster with like the camera and the boots and the hair.
I invented it.
You invented hipsterness? Oh, okay.
Oh, where are we going? We're gonna cross the river.
I don't want to cross the river.
I'm gonna have to go back and get the boys, aren't I?
Easy game. I can't keep up with these long legs. You don't think about it until you're around 6 foot plus men for days. At least Alex stops to take photos like every 5 seconds so I'm able to catch up. You just waiting for me to compose?
You're not allowed to stop fixing.
Butterfat, yeah, like that. Sleep all day, just a cat nap. Buttercup and a Hershey. Camel like, always thirsty. Will I ever grow to the guy that I think of? I'ma get this
God.
I hope that was a good use of like 20 megabytes of photos.
And yet it's still so faded
I mean, like,
from yesterday.
It's gonna be a good gift.
Oh.
It's lunchtime. It's the best time of the day.
What about dinner time?
Well, I do like dinner time and I like dessert time as well. They're all good.
Daddy soul wants a flight back. But a price be the ice pack. Will I ever grow to the guy that I think of? I'ma get this slow as the sky that I dream of. Yeah, I'ma make it in my dreams, love. I'ma catch you in my dreams, love.
The lady gave us scones for free. I'm so happy. We just had like the biggest meal. I am the food master. We just had the biggest meal and I'm like, more food? Yeah. We made it to the Wanaka. We still have a whole scone left. Oh my god. Look how nice. Oh my.
Hello there.
The kitchen. The boyos. Sitting area. Outdoor sitting area. The nicest bed I've ever seen. The sexo area. Oh wow. This is soft as well. There's even another mirror, but I am too short to access it. Very nice. I've been put in charge of dessert because the boys know what is up. It's going to be ice cream, and more ice cream, and maybe some cheese on the side.
We met on a summer day in June. Said you were headed on your way to Malibu. You've never been, but you always wanted to.
Food has been acquired. Beer has been had. Apparently it's tennis time. Apparently we're bougie now. Look at these motherfuckers. Look at all these tall white boys.
There's a lot of things you're trying to do. If you play your cards right, I might be your tour guide in a city.
I got you on my shoulder, don't you?
Well, no.
This is
Because we're both men, so.
Good morning. I may or may not have yacked last night, but we're going on a long walk today. This makes it somewhat better though. Oh, babies. Little babies.
Oh, there's some tiny Nemos.
Little beach. Yeah. That's it. That's it, man. I wonder if they have shapes in other countries.
Also, like, what sorts of things do they have in other countries that are like shapes?
Yeah, probably a lot of stuff.
That are like bitter, maybe.
More MSG. I don't know if that's possible though. Look at that.
It's not that romantic. Yeah. I don't have no time for no antics. Smile for the cameras. Oh, they like me now. Go ahead, write me down.
That's the way? It's very pretty. It is time for some snacks. Snacks, Cam. Mmm. Yum.
I hear you like pink, that coladas. Like that, she not one for drama. Yeah, big smile, get it from her mama. Hey, please, that's your shoes for you get my Honda. Looking like, look like art, hot hills. Look like art, on it, look like art, look like art, look like art, look like art. Oh, looking like blessings, blessings, blessings coming my way. Wake up every morning like it's Friday. Oh, don't be looking at me sideways.
My brain can't take all of it in.
Friends, it's Friday.
It's just so much. Oh. Oh yeah. Pizza time.
Pizza time.
Brixton. Which other pastries are? Sure. Yeah. Everyone's pretty good though.
But it's actually the fact that
We're having a chill day today. So we come to the lake! Yay! Lake Wanaka. Oh, I'm so full. I feel like I've eaten like 3 times as much as I usually eat this week. Walking's hungry work, man. We walked for like 7 hours yesterday and got a carb load for that shit, you know? Anyway, look how clear the water. Wow. I'm not gonna attempt, it'll be embarrassing. Yeah. I like prepared with the camera like way out in the distance, like oh. It's the famous Wanaka tree. No.
Oh no.
Jesus Christ.
This is Joe at 2 beers, by the way. Can you see
2.5.
Can you see through it?
Nice. Oh, you can actually.
Wait, is it a video or is it a video? I'll check. What's taking so fucking long?
What the fuck is taking so long?
It's a video.
This is aggressive.
Oh, did anyone see Joe recently? Oh god. Oh, that's hot.
It's tea time. It's not beer time, it's tea time. Want some beer with your tea? Tea time!
This is the content people want to see.
This is my cookie mukbang. I'm very...
Did you get a bit of pube?
No, I got a bit of tongue on the lens.
Oh no.
This is for me. No more drinkies for me. Oh baby, oh baby. Oh, this is a lot of food. Oh, did we get extra rice? I have been waiting for this all day. I shall have all of it.
Palak paneer.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh god. Oh my god, we got naan as well.
Yeah.
Beach. This could feed me for a week.
This is a heckin' big curry, eh?
Oh, yes.
But then they can cut it up like the psychopaths. Yeah, but I bet you. So I played.
Pushing really in your pants.
Toast to the eradication of reds, blue, yellow, and black. And the to come. Cheers.